Hi everyone! Today we will be learning some basic folds and different types of bases and how to make them. So first, what is a base? A base is a set of folds you create before you create the actual model. Therefore, bases are often the starting point or foundation of many origami models. We will be using 15 by 15 standard origami papers that are white on one side and colored on the other side. These are best to start with as they are very easy to fold and will make us aware about the front and back sides while folding. Before starting, I will tell you 3 rules you should keep in mind. Firstly, make sure you join the vertex perfectly before creasing. This will help you avoid errors. Secondly, crease the paper by applying proper pressure. Make sure the fold is visible enough. Lastly, stay relaxed, be patient and enjoy this process. So remember, join the edges, crease well and enjoy. You are going to be great. So let's get started. Mountain fold. Pick up a paper you want, place the white side above. Align the upper side to the lower side. Now crease it. You will get a mountain fold. Valley fold. This time place the colored side above. Bring the lower side up on the upper side and fold. You will get a valley fold. Divide paper into thirds. Join the opposite points and make a diagonal. Unfold. Now take the lower side and bring it to the diagonal like this. Unfold it. Bring the opposite edge to the line we just created and crease it. Now this is the point that will help us divide the paper into thirds. So fold the paper from that point like this and refold it. Unfold the sheet. You will see paper divided into 3 equal parts. Divide paper into fifths. Join the opposite edges and make a diagonal. Unfold. Now take the lower edge and bring it to the line we just created. Crease it and unfold. Again, take the lower edge and bring it to the new line we created. Crease it and unfold. We will be using this point to divide the paper into 5 equal parts. So fold the paper from this point and form a white rectangle. Repeat this process 3 more times. Unfold it and you will see the division. In case all your 5 parts are not equal, you might have not started your fold from the exact point we had made. So keep practicing. Outside reverse fold. Take a new paper facing the white side up. Join the opposite edges and make a triangle. Crease it. Place your paper as shown here. Now take the top edge to the right side and crease it. Unfold it. Open up the sheet. Refold the new triangle outside and push the other sheet inwards like this. Make sure the tip of white triangle is perfect and crease it well. That's it. Inside reverse fold. As the name suggests, this is the exact opposite of the previous fold. Make a diagonal by joining 2 edges and make a fold. Take the tip and bring it to the left side. Fold it this way. Now flip the sheet and repeat the same on the other side. Open up the sheet. Push the tip downwards so that it will be in between 2 sides of the paper. Crease it well. You have just completed the inside reverse fold. Doesn't it look like a head? Rabbit ear fold. Make a diagonal by joining the tips. Again, join the opposite edges and make another diagonal. Crease it. Rotate the sheet 45 degrees. Take right side and place it on the horizontal line. Crease it and unfold. Similarly, fold the left side with the horizontal line. Fold the right side and the left side simultaneously like this. Fold the flap to the right side and then left side. Done. Blintz base. Keep the white side up, bring the right side to the left side and fold. Rotate the sheet at 45 degrees. Again, fold the right edge over the left edge. Fold one of the corners to the middle. Rotate at 45 degrees. And again, fold the corner to the middle. Repeat this process 2 more times. That's it. This base is also known as cushion fold because this technique of folding 4 corners into the middle is used in cushion making in Japan. Square base. The square base is the starting point for many other bases and shape, so it is also called as a preliminary base. Place the white side up. Join the 2 sides and fold. Unfold. Bring the lower side up and fold. Unfold. Flip the paper. Now make a diagonal by joining 2 opposite points. So now we have 2 mountain fold and 1 valley fold. Flip the sheet and simply collapse the paper along the fold. Pinch the diagonal fold inwards like this. Crease it well. Good job, guys. Water bomb base. Make a valley fold along the diagonal. Unfold again. Make another diagonal fold by joining other 2 points. Unfold. Flip the paper over. Now fold the lower line upwards, aligning it properly. Unfold. Flip the paper. Push a little from between and simply collapse the paper along the fold. Crease it well. Kite base. Kite base is an easy but an important origami base used in different models. Keep the white side upwards and make a diagonal by aligning 2 points. Crease it and hold the paper like this. Now fold the right side to meet the crease at the center. Fold the left side similarly and your kite base is complete. With the kite base, you can also make diamond base. Let's find out how. Diamond base. This is an extension of kite base. So start with the kite base by making a diagonal fold. Then fold the left and right sides to meet the crease at the center. Now fold the top right edge to meet the crease at the center. Similarly, fold the left edge. Crease it well. Your diamond base is complete. Organ base. Place the white side up. Fold in half by meeting top to the bottom edge. Rotate. Again, fold in half. Bring bottom to the top edge. Crease it well. Rotate and unfold. Now fold the right side to meet the center crease. Do the same with the left side. Unfold both these sides. Now we will make a squash fold. Place your index finger inside like this and open it up to the left side. Crease well. Repeat the same with the other side. Open the paper and press it down flat. That's it. Pig base. This base is used to fold origami pig, so it is known as pig base. Take the white side up and fold it in half. Crease well and unfold. Fold the bottom side to meet the crease at the center. Similarly, fold the top side as well. Again, fold the paper into half like this. Unfold. Fold the bottom line to meet the crease at the center. Repeat the same with the other side. Unfold. Place your finger inside and fold it like this, just like we did in the organ base. Again, open the bottom right side, place your finger and push the paper to the left. Repeat the squash fold on the left side. Your pig base is complete. Bird base. This is the last base we will be covering today. Start by folding the square base. So fold the paper into half by joining bottom to the top edge. Rotate and repeat the process. Flip the sheet and make a diagonal. Crease it well, unfold and flip. Now simply fold the sheet along the crease like this. The square base is ready. Fold the square base into half, making a diagonal and unfold. Make sure the opening side is at the bottom. Fold one bottom right side corner to the center. Crease it well. Repeat the same with the left side. Unfold. Flip the paper. Again, fold one bottom right side and left side corners to the center. Crease them well. You will see a line passing through two tips. Fold it like this. Unfold. Make sure you have creased all the sides well. This will make the further steps easier. Lift the bottom corner upwards and fold along the crease lines. And then flatten to form a triangle as shown here. This is called petal fold. Your bird base is almost done. Flip the paper. Lift the bottom corner upwards along the creases and flatten it. Now the bird base is done.